Another day, another chance, another way, another dance. Yeah, I've discussing to you all, but everything that just but everything that needs to be discussed, man, and that's pretty much what I'm gonna be dealing with here. So yeah, I mean, pretty much Java file handling. That's what I'm going to be dealing with. So which package contains the file class in java.io? So this file class is part of the java.io package. Which hibernate method is used to save a new object into the database? So in Hibernate, which method is used to remove an object entity from the database? Delete. What is the purpose of the create new file method in the file class? Create a file if it does not exist. What will the file exist return if the file doesn't exist? The file exists method returns false if the file does not exist. Which of the following can read text from a file line by line in Java? Scanner. So the scanner class can be used to read a file line by line using scanner the next line. What is the output of this code? Assume that demo. Is a file, not a whole folder. This directory returns false since demo that is a file, is not directory. Which method is used to get the size of a file in bytes length? Bytes in a file. What does delete method of the file class return when deletion fails? Uh, returns false. Delete method returns false if the file could not be deleted. What is the correct way to create a directory in Java? For that the mk directory method creates a new directory. So which Java class is best suited for writing text to, to you know to a file? Buffered writer. You know why? Because it's efficient. That's why. Writing text data to files. What exception must be handled when performing file operations in Java? I/O exception. So you have completed 12 questions. Your accuracy is 100%. Yeah. So thank you very much, and have a blessed day. Thank you and take care.